Good morning, my friends. Today we are going to JoAnn Fabrics that is showing 85 to 95% off. That's right. In their last couple of days, it's 85 to 95% off. But my friends, if you are not the first there on the first day, I don't know what happens, but that fabric just flies off the shelf. I am in one of these stores that closed on April 28th, and there is nothing left. My friends, there's a couple of trinkets, and yes, I took advantage of a couple of trinkets, but the fabric is all gone. There is 3/4 of the store that is roped off that you only want to go back in if you need to buy some of the shelving. So if you are a small business, a small store, get into JoAnn Fabrics. They are selling all of the shelving units and the different hangers and contraptions for holding your merchandise. But as far as everything for sale, my friends, look at this. So sad. All of the fabric is gone, and I know it blows my mind. It blows my mind. I cannot believe the pens, the needles, the fabric, the notions, everything has just gone. So get into your store, know what your store has, and if you live close, now is the time. JoAnn Fabrics is going out of business. 255 stores have closed their doors. The remaining will close their doors the 2nd, 3rd, 4th week of May. But again, they put these prices down and they will lock their doors after all of their merchandise is sold. So, my friends, get in there. Now is the time. This is sad. Love on the employees. Be nice to the employees. They're sticking this out, and we thank them for doing this. But I'm showing you around what is left, and it is so incredibly picked over. So imagine buying fabric at 85% off. My friends, it has flown out of the store, and I have missed it. I have missed it. So don't you miss yours. If you live close to a JoAnn Fabrics, now might be the time to take advantage of this. And my friends, I am going to sorely miss JoAnn Fabrics. Have a great day. Good luck.